Hello, welcome back to Spot Our channel. Now I will give you a tutorial how to change style avatar on Reddit for Android. And before that, I want to ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And now let's go to the started. First, we go to the Reddit application that you have been to install it before. Click on the Reddit. And after that, you can go to the symbol in the upper of the left corner. And then next, you can go to the settings. And how to change the style avatar, you can click the style avatar here in the subtitle of the premium here. You can click the style avatar, and after that switch about the styles, the faces, and about the me, the body. Okay, and after that you can go to the save if you're done to change the style of the avatar. And after that, click the save in the upper of the right corner for the next step, and you can confirm it. Okay, let's see and let's check about your avatar. Go back and you can click the symbol in the upper of the left corner, and you can see there is a new avatar for you, and make your avatar is very freshly for you. Okay, I think it's enough to how to change style avatar on Reddit for Android. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for the attention and bye.